Hey guys, today we have a brand new MOC. This week's is basically my dream house in Lego. Now obviously this is kind of a small house. If I actually built my dream house it would be a little bit bigger, but this is the best I could do with the pieces I had, and it ended up looking really cool. I got the idea to build this as soon as I saw the Stranger Things set because I really liked the design for the front porch and the tiles for the siding of the house, and I was like, I could do that, I can build that. So this is how it ended up, and it's not as wide as the Stranger Things house, but it is quite a bit deeper. So when we turn it around to see the interior, there's a lot more space inside. But here on the front, we've got a nice studded grassy area in the yard. Some fences on both sides. There's a bike, there's some golf clubs, there's a nice apple tree back here. On the front porch, there's a nice porch swing, some tables, some flowers, a retro gumball machine back there. And here's me, standing out there on the porch. Over here, some trash cans and a wheelbarrow for me to do some gardening. Here's the apple tree. It was a lot of fun to make. It's mostly my own design. I can show you how I built it. There's a flex tube running through these 1x1 round bricks, which allows the trunk to be curved. And then it runs up and connects to a 1x1 brick with 4 studs on the sides, a snot brick. And then that is on an angle so that it has one stud pointing out this way, one stud pointing out this way, and one stud pointing out this way, which allows there to be 3 levels for you to stack leaves on. And there's also some apples stuck in the holes, as well as a beehive on the bottom hanging down from there. So that tree was a lot of fun to design and build. On the top are some eagles, a TV receiver, and a boomerang. Now this is a one-piece joke. That's, I think, everyone's favorite part of this build is the boomerang, because it basically, I was playing with boomerang and lost it on the roof, and I just had to put that there, and it's a joke. Inside you can see there's 2 windows and a door, so let's open it up and check out the inside. The roof folds open like this, but it also is removable, so you can get to the back as much as possible. Here you can see the fan, which was a fun build, with this clip-on piece here to get the light and the propeller. And then there's just a basic light here hanging down from the roof. This is the main living room / kitchen. As you can see over here, I have a row of cabinets along here with a stove, an oven, and a sink. And there's plenty of food up there. There's a nice milkshake and fries, which looks like a Happy Meal. There's a pan on the stove, there's a nice lamp over in the corner, and there's plenty of posters on the wall. I tried to keep a color scheme going with this one, so there's a lot of yellow, and then there's a little bit of red all over it. Moving over here, there's a cat, because I love cats. There's a couple of couches in a nice curved yellow build. That one's 5 studs long, this one's 4. And on the couches, there's a phone, some coffee on the floor, there's a video game controller. On the wall is an electric guitar and a clock, so I can tell the time. Over on this side, this wall is completely yellow, and it's a divider between the 2 rooms. There's also a TV. I've got some music playing, because I always have to have music. There's a calendar up on the wall and another poster. And over here is the recording studio for my YouTube vids. And if I pop this wall out here, you can see that I used all of these textured bricks to get sort of a recording studio wall, because I don't know if you've seen this, but they've got like the waffle thing on the wall to cancel out the sound. And I realized if I alternated them like this, it ended up looking a lot like a recording studio wall. Pattern shows up on the other side too, but it's not too big of a deal. Also, there's some blue posters here and a nice recording studio built with a sheet and a camera here, a little orange car build. There's a lamp in the corner, another light, and on this side is another build waiting to be reviewed. There's a box of Lego that was shipped to me that I guess I haven't opened yet. And there's also some more posters and sticky notes up on that wall too. So it definitely reflects my personality with all the messiness. I'm not very good at keeping things clean, because as you can see, there's lots of stuff on the floor and on the walls. And I think it would be really cool if in a few years I tried building it again to see how much bigger I could make it. Maybe even make a second floor. But yeah, that's about all for the video. I hope you enjoyed checking this build out. Even though it's not from any particular theme, it's still a good build. And if you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll know what I'm up to. I will see you in the next video.